In today's video, we will see how to pull a list of all active applications using SAML 2.0 Authentication via the Okta Apps collection in Postman. To complete this tutorial, you will need an Okta tenant and the Postman API platform. It is recommended to use a test environment when performing these steps. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Okta Postman collection page and click on the Run in Postman button next to the Apps collection. This will open Postman and ask which workspace to import the collection to. Choose a workspace and click the Import button. After the import, the Apps API collection should appear in the left sidebar of the Postman app. Next, set up the environment by following the steps mentioned in the article in the description. We will use the Get List Active Apps API command. This API call will list all active applications in the Okta org. In response parameters, the sign-on mode attribute will have the information on whether it is a SAML 2.0 application. In the response, search SAML. SAML 2.0 applications will have sign-on mode as SAML 2.0. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.